Look, it says activated.
Oh my God, finally!
This is a question that many businesses and many users wonder. Is our Windows 11 really validly activated?
With simple, easy-to-execute commands, we will know the exact status of Windows activation. Let's watch the video. First, use the winver command to check the version of Windows you are running. This is the basic step to know if you are on Windows 11 or another version. The next step is to check Windows activation status in System. Click Product Key and Activation. Here you will easily see Windows activation status.
If your Windows is activated, you need the next steps to determine its activated status in detail. Open Command Prompt. Run as administrator. Now enter these basic commands. This first command will reactivate Windows if there is a valid key. If the system has activated, you will see a confirmation message. The second command indicates the activation status, permanent, or just a limited trial. The third command provides brief information about the license, version, activation status, and key type. Final command gives complete details, product ID, channel license, and many other technical information. This is an order for an in-depth examination. Here you will see a lot of technical information, such as product key ID, activation ID, use license into a browser's address bar, and more.
This is a case where Windows has been successfully activated using Tools Crack. But let's look at the detailed command and what it shows.